forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh,
Hello guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa Dait Camarines Norte, Atinas Resort Springs. So ayan, ganda. Natural resourcement po dito. So ayan, likas yaman. Napaka payapa ng resort na ito. Hindi siya crowded. Ayan. Kaya napaka peaceful. So ayan. Swimming po kami dito ng family ko. Ayan. Ganda. Yan yung running water. So hello guys. Ayan na sila. Makain.
Wow.
Shot. So, ayan. Yan, ang natural spring. Running water. Sarap mag-swimming dito. So, kakain lang kami, din mamaya. Yan, lalangin na kami dyan at magsa-selfie-selfie. Ito na yung table namin. So, ito, 500 lang to, yung umbrella. So, yan. Kain-kain kami dito. Hi, Kyler! Hi! Hi, Julian!
Sarap po.
Jam-jam! O, tagay na, Calvin. Shot. Shot puno.
Sarap po.
Sarap.
Sarap. Sarap.
Uy, cellphone ha, mahulog ha. Andan, madulas. TikTok.